Today, let's look at the summary of the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash from Class 10 English. About the poet. Ogden Nash was born on 19 August 1902 in New York. He worked as a school teacher before becoming a copywriter. His first collection of poems entitled Hard Lines was published in 1931. The Boy Who Laughed at Santa Claus and Girls Are Silly are among his famous books. Nash is perhaps best remembered for his nonsense poetry. Nash died on 19 May 1971. Introduction. The poem is about a little girl Belinda who owns many pets, namely a black kitten named Ink, a grey mouse named Blink, a yellow dog named Mustard, and a coward dragon named Custard. The poet has described every character to be brave except the dragon, who is a coward. But the whole situation changes when a pirate attacked Belinda's house. Let's look at the summary. The Tale of Custard the Dragon is a comical poem written by Ogden Nash. A little girl, Belinda, lived in a little white house with her 4 pets. They were Ink, a little black kitten, Blink, a little grey mouse, Mustard, a yellow dog, and Custard, a little pet dragon. Ink, Blink, and Mustard boasted of their bravery. They often made fun of Custard for his cowardice. One day, a pirate breaks into Belinda's house. He had pistols in both his hands. Belinda lived in a little white house. She lived there with her pets. They were a black kitten, a grey mouse, a yellow dog, and a dragon named Custard. The black kitten was named Ink. The mouse was called Blink. The dog was called Mustard. All other pets except Custard were thought to be very courageous and brave. Custard was meek and coward and always longed for a safe cage. Belinda and her pets mocked at him. Outwardly, the dragon had big sharp teeth. His mouth looked like a fireplace and there were daggers on his toes. But all other pets and Belinda only mocked at him for his timidity and lack of courage. Belinda was as brave as a barrel of bears. Ink and Blink could chase lions down the stairs. Mustard, the yellow dog, was as brave as a tiger. Belinda tickled Custard unmercifully. Blink and Mustard rudely called him Percival, a great warrior. They asked his age. Poor Custard cried timidly for a nice safe cage. Suddenly, a nasty sound was heard. The dog growled and all others looked around. They saw a pirate climbing in through the window. He held a pistol in each of his hands. He held a dagger in his mouth. His beard was black. One of his legs was of wood. He looked terrible and his intentions too seemed terrible. When Belinda saw the pirate, her face became pale. She cried for help. The dog Mustard fled away and Ink hid in fear. The little mouse Blink entered his hole. Custard fought bravely and swallowed the pirate by attacking the pirate with his powerful tail. He pounced upon the pirate as a robin pounces at a worm. The pirate fired 2 bullets at Custard, but they missed the aim. Custard swallowed him at once. Belinda embraced Custard. Mustard licked him. Ink and Blink danced joyfully around him. The dragon Custard killed and swallowed the pirate. However, he was not given his due. Belinda and her pet started patting themselves for their courage and bravery. The poor Custard was again mocked at for his meekness and timidity. Let's look at the poetic devices used in the poem. Simile. Belinda's dog is compared with Mustard, saying that both are sharp. The dragon's mouth is compared to a fireplace, Belinda with a barrel of bears, her dog with a tiger. The dragon is compared with an engine and a robin, the sound of its tail with that of irons in a dungeon. Personification. All the human ability to speak and to tease another being are given to the pets. Transferred epithet. Terrified yelp. The rhyme scheme used in all the stanzas is AABB.